In this section, we explain game mode and game framework in UE5 source code. Let's get started. The GameMode class is a core class in Unreal Engine used to manage game rules and match logic. It inherits from GameMode base and extends functionalities for multiplayer games, such as managing match states, handling player join, leave, restarting matches, and more. The match state namespace defines possible game states. These states control the flow of the match, such as whether the match is ongoing, waiting to start, or ended. The GameMode class inherits from a GameMode base. If you don't need complex match logic, you can use a GameMode base, but a GameMode provides additional functionality for multiplayer games. The generated uClass body macro is part of Unreal Engine's reflection system, generating the constructor and other boilerplate code automatically. Match state represents the current match state, which could be in progress, waiting to start. GetMatchState, a function to get the current match state, returning an fname type. IsMatchInProgress checks if the match is currently in progress, such as transitioning from waiting to start to in progress. StartMatch transitions the state from waiting to start to in progress, officially starting the match. EndMatch ends the match and transitions the state to waiting post-match. Restart Game restarts the game, typically used when the match fails or players request a restart. Abort Match, called to abort the match when there is an irreparable error, such as network issues. SetMatchState sets the match's current state and triggers the logic related to that state change. OnMatchStateSet, called when the match state changes, used for handling business logic associated with the state. K2 OnSetMatchState, a blueprint event that allows custom logic for state changes within blueprints. HandleMatch is waiting to start, called when the match is in the waiting to start state, where you might initialize the match environment or prepare players. Ready to Start Match, a blueprint native event that lets the game define the conditions under which the match is ready to begin. For example, checking if all players are ready or other conditions are met. Say, a console command that allows the admin to send a message to all players. Broadcast sends a message to all players, often used for game events or notifications. Add an active player marks a player's state as inactive, usually when they disconnect or leave the match. Player switched to spectator only updates the player count when a player exits the game and switches to spectator mode. Remove player controller from player count removes a player controller from the active player count, typically when a player leaves the game. Handle Seamless Travel Player manages seamless transitions between maps, allowing players to move seamlessly between levels. Init Seamless Travel Player initializes a player for seamless travel, ensuring the player's state is preserved during level transitions. GameMode is a core class in Unreal Engine for managing match states, player interactions, and game rules. It handles match start, end, restart, and state transitions, such as from waiting to start to in progress. It also allows developers to override relevant functions via blueprints and C++ for custom match logic.